If you've encountered the try again later message on Instagram, indicating restricted activity to protect the community, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, take a screenshot of the message. Then, navigate to your Instagram profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, select Settings, then Help, and click on Report a Problem. Provide a detailed explanation of the issue and kindly request assistance from the Instagram team. Upload the screenshot of the message and send the report. Additionally, consider logging out and back into your Instagram account and clearing the app's cache, especially if you're using an Android device. For iPhone users, go to Device Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage, find Instagram, and offload the app before reinstalling it. Be patient as it may take 24 hours to a few days for Instagram to address the issue. Lastly, avoid excessive liking or following activities to prevent encountering similar restrictions in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.